Hi boys and girls, welcome back to another Read Aloud. Today we are reading Officer Buckle and Gloria. Is it Buckle? Yeah. We got this from the Central Skagit Library. Okay, let's move it over there. Officer Buckle and Gloria. Officer Buckle knew more safety tips than anyone else in Napville. Every time he thought of a new one, he thumbtacked it to the bulletin board. Safety tip 77, never stand on a stairwell chair. Is he just doing that? Officer Buckle shared his safety tips with students at Napville School. Nobody ever listened. Sometimes they were snoring. Afterward, it was business as usual. Miss Topple, the principal, took down the welcome banner. Never stand on a stairwell chair, said Officer Buckle, but Mrs. Topple didn't hear him. Then one day, Napville's police department brought a police dog named Gloria. When it was time for Officer Buckle to give a safety speech at the school, Gloria went along. "Children, this is Gloria," announced Officer Buckle. Gloria obeys the command. Gloria, sit. And Gloria sat. Officer Buckle gave safety tip number 1. Keep your shoe laces tied. Gloria is, that's so nice. Officer Buckle checked to see if Gloria was sitting at attention. She was. Safety tip number 2, said Officer Buckle. Always wipe up spills before someone slips and falls. The children's eyes popped. Officer Buckle checked on Gloria again. Good dog, he said. Officer Buckle thought of a safety tip he had discovered that morning. Never leave a thumbtack where you might sit on it. The audience roared. Officer Buckle grinned. He said the rest of his tips with plenty of expression. The children clapped their hands and cheered. Some of them laughed until they cried. Officer Buckle was surprised. He never noticed how funny safety tips could be. After this safety speech, there wasn't a single accident. Next day, an enormous envelope arrived at the police station. It was stuffed with thank you letters from the students of Napville School. Every letter had a drawing of Gloria on it. Officer Buckle thought the drawings showed a lot of imagination. Dear Gloria and Officer Buckle, thanks for coming to our school. You're nice. Your friend George. Oh, so Gloria was basically teaching them So he was acting out what would happen. Like this one? I don't know what that is, but he looks like he's doing a flip, or he said on. His favorite letter was written on a star-shaped piece of paper. It said, "You and Gloria make a good team. Your friend, Clary? P.S. I always wear a crash helmet. Safety tip 7. Aww. Officer Buckle was thumbtacking Carly's letter to his bulletin board when the phone started ringing. Grade schools, high schools, and daycare centers were calling about the safety speech. Officer Buckle, they said, "Our students want to hear your safety tips, and please bring along that police dog." Ooh. Officer Buckle told his safety tips to 313 schools. Oh, I kicked the table. Everywhere he and Gloria went, children sat up and listened. And moved out of place. After every speech, Officer Buckle took Gloria for ice cream. Officer Buckle loved having a buddy. Aww. Then one day, a television news team videotaped Officer Buckle in the Stage College auditorium. When he finished safety tip number 99, do not go swimming during electrical storms, students jumped to their feet and applauded. Bravo, bravo, they cheered. Officer Buckle bowed again and again. That night, Officer Buckle watched himself at the 10 o'clock news. Next day, the principal of Natville School telephoned the police station. Good morning, Officer Buckle. It's time for your safety speech. Officer Buckle frowned. I'm not giving any more speeches. Nobody looks at me. Anyway, Miss Topple, well, how about Gloria? Could she come? Someone else from the police station gave Gloria a ride to the school. Gloria sat outstage looking lonely. When she fell asleep, so did the audience. After Gloria left, Natville School had its biggest accident ever. It started with a puddle of banana pudding. Splat, splatter, splosh. Everyone slid smack into Miss Topple, who screamed and let go of her hammer. Oh no, that's why you don't stand on the chairs. Same, don't hold them. Oh, the tack's gone flying. Who will it hit? Ugh. The next morning, a pile of letters arrived at the police station. Every letter had a drawing of the accident. The Officer Buckle was shocked. At the bottom of the pile was a note written on a paper star. Officer Buckle smiled. The note said, Gloria missed you yesterday. You're fine, Gloria. P.S. Don't worry. I was wearing my helmet. Safety tip 7. So if we go back here, I don't see a helmet. Oh, wait, the helmet right here. Ooh. So, wait, would it go, Ooh, yeah. Gloria gave Officer Buckle a big kiss on the nose. Officer Buckle gave Gloria a nice pat on the back. Then Officer Buckle thought, best safety tip yet. Safety tip 101, always stick with your bunny. Never eat raw hamburger. Stay away from food. They're good ones. Well, apparently there was 101. So, I guess that was the end of the book. You can see them dancing right here. They're proud of their 100th ones. I guess we will see you guys next time. Goodbye.